Sup YouTube? Okay, so if you don't know what you've clicked on, I'm Vanessa Stefanova and I'm an artist, and you're about to watch a painting being made. And look away right now if you want to be surprised at the end. So this is this painting. It's okay. Lots of commentary. Look at all this landfill. Man, landfill makes me so sad. I was thinking deeply about landfill. Like, why is it illegal to litter, but landfill is legal? And I think the answer is just because of our egos. Like, we don't want to be around the rubbish, but we'll tuck it away somewhere. Like, okay, I am a little bit over realism for the moment, but I know, oh shit, I probably shouldn't be doing light. Just really lightly. I definitely want dark blue, and I want it in the desert. These are not the colors I want, but okay. Okay, I just figured out how I'm gonna paint this, right? So, again, council cleanup happened, and there was like 4-meter high pile of crap at the end of my units. And like, there were things there that I could have, well, I did. I found like a dog stroller and I sold it within hours. I'm gonna put items that look brand new-ish, if I can get it down, and put them in trash bags. I'm gonna put like the tag on some of them, because this is disgusting how people are just throwing shit out. Fuck yeah, even last night I knew this. There's just way too much paint on this. Yeah, painting. So this might be like the perfect time to get some blending in, but it might not. It might have just missed the window. But I also put the paint on quite liberally, so as you can see, so I reckon it's in my favor. Oh, look at that. That's gonna blend. Okay, blending is proving to be a little bit tricky. It's still good. It's still good. That was perfect. That was perfect. I almost couldn't take the paint off my hands. I want this to look really plasticky. Like the whole thing, I want it to look very plastic. Yeah, I don't know why I chose to paint a bicycle. Regret. It'll be alright. It'll be alright. I'm not a fan of painting objects. Like, it looks not that good. Okay, I'm pretty much done. I don't know, like, I know I want picket fences here, so the idea is, like, what's the difference between landfill and your backyard? Convenience? Picket fence? I don't know if I want to do, like, an ordinary fence. I decided to put some color in it. I was thinking maybe have them all as, like, black holes, like this. I guess I'm not doing that. Yeah, check it out. Yeah, this is my painting. You'll never get to see it from this edge unless you buy it. Or like from this edge unless you buy it. Not bad. It's okay. It's fine. It's good. Yeah. Look at my painting. Oh my god, you actually watched the whole thing. Fuck yeah. If you want to join my 30 subscribers, then that's fucking awesome. Like it? If you liked it, yeah? And over here, maybe I'm gonna put it over here. Check out the time lapse of the video.